Lecture number 4. Research Methodology. Welcome back, guys, to yet another lecture of sociology. So today we will move forward to research methodology. There are two types of research: primary and secondary research. Questionnaires Observation. Primary research. Interviews. This type of research is done directly by sociologists for their own research purposes. Primary research is expensive and also takes up more time than secondary research. However, it is more relevant to the topic being researched and also more accurate. Secondary research. This type of research is the data collected from other sources, and that data which had been collected earlier for purposes other than those of the sociologists. It has the considerable advantage of being cheaply and readily available. But this does not make them accurate, and sociologists have to be wary of their authenticity and unadulteration. The data that is collected from both these methods is further divided into two categories. 1. Qualitative data. This data deals directly with people's experiences, as well as their feelings about, and interpretations of, the situations they find themselves in. This data is generated through in-depth contact with sociologists, whether by in-depth or unstructured interviews or through observation. This type of data, unlike qualitative data that is presented through statistics, is written in the form of prose and passages. Due to its very nature, it is preferred by interpretivists/interactionists. 2. Quantitative data. Quantitative data is that data which is presented in numeric form and just deals with the facts and figures rather than the reasons behind the phenomenon or people's experiences. For instance, the quantitative data about crime rate in a locality will look something like this. Now we will take a look at the methods used to collect data. First of all, we will take a look at the qualitative data methods.